Guys, hey guys, good morning. Oh Jesus, really can't wait. Bro, good morning. I'm going for shopping. Okay. Hey, good morning guys. Oh, sorry. Buying tomatoes from this side, and this is what you see. We have a very nice and great tomatoes. So naeka tu hizo ndogo ndogo ndogo. Hizi unauza aje?
Hizo ni 50.
Naeka tu hizo. So because this one goes for 4 of them at 50 Kenyan shillings, but these ones are better, because of the committee that they've said let us buy this for lunch and I think supper, because they have a budget of that. And also kwa vitunguu za 50 za vitunguu unauzaje hizi zingine
za majani?
Lounge.
10 na kuna 20.
Naekeza 10 za 50. So we have to buy this for 50, and then maybe I'll be crossing to Tanzania. Sasa Tanzania kuko salama kidogo.
Kuko kidogo lakini si vile mtena kuna mama alikufa
Jana. Guys, I told that yesterday mom died in the border of Tanzania. So definitely I won't cross, but I'll just try to see what will happen, and then I'll be back. But for now, let me go shopping. It's early morning. We'll see how things will be all around. Okay. So I want to buy just sardines on this end. I want to look for clean sardines in the market so that we can see and check on what we'll be having. Clean sardines. All the omena. They are not around. Oh my god. Maybe I'll try and see how it will be. Okay, let me cross by to Tanzania. I'll see how it will be. So just want to buy sugar. This guy had the Wi-Fi. Oh yeah. The boss Hugo. Let me try to do what we can have on this end. Want to buy sugar literally. And I think this would be better. Have to have this. And I've been told to pick on yeah. And then let me see what else should we pick. Also to buy cooking oil and sugar. So, let me go with. So you can tell the receipt, ama? Just go. This is where we always buy some stuff at sometimes over here. Better. Tole receipt yangu. Tole receipt. Yeah, so we can see how it should be all around the border town. And also I'm waiting for my brother's car. Definitely going to pick him from the other side of Tanzania. So yeah, I'll be going to buy sardines. Sasa watu wanaenda Tanzania? Unaendeka? Okay. Just trying to ask. We'll see how it will be. Okay. Yeah, so guys, it's early in the morning. We just came from little shopping. Oh hi bro. Morning, I'm good. Yeah. So I just came from shopping and they got some stuff. And the day has been it's the 3rd day. And I wanna update you what's going on around. So over here, this is I told you this fire will never go off until the day when grandma will be brought, and as they say that during the morning time this fire will not go off, so you understand mostly what's going on. So also yesterday we did what we call like we were putting up an outdoor kitchen. Gentanyi, relax kidogo kwanza. Nataka usaidiane na hii toke. So today, Julie, what's up today, bro? Yeah.
Just continue with the work
with the work because it was pending.
It was
Yeah.
started late.
Yeah.
So we are just continuing. I'm almost starting the.
We're almost trying to
putting
fit.
the iron sheet.
Yeah.
So I'm just completing putting
The iron. Yeah. And then it will be better.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like 2 hours.
it will be done. Then we can try to see what will be happening on this other end. So I'm also with a friend of mine and a good brother who supported us since when grandma died. Yeah, bro. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, my name is Ken Mashari,
Yeah.
and also I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
I visited my friend here, Mr. Claude Joseph.
Yes.
It's I think my third time in
Yeah.
his home.
Yeah.
I once was here when grandma was alive.
Yeah.
But I came on a sad news day, so we have to support each other. That's why I'm here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
And guys, that's I told you that most people will be asking, why are you going for shopping and it's a funeral? They're like, sometimes when a visitor comes, they must have something to quench. Yeah, hopefully, maybe some days I'll be bringing milk and we'll be having.
But this one is so good.
Black tea. Yeah, the people usually love black tea. Black tea. And also, on the sector of maybe food, we have sufficient firewood because I demolished the other kitchen, as you see. So we have firewood that is here. Oh my god, I don't know what to do with my phone. We have this kind of firewood that is here, and later on we have what we call a brother of mine who we are waiting so that I can update you what's happening. So over here Mugendi prepared this. It's prepared by Mugendi that we have to open and close. So for now, meantime, we are using this kind of radio so that we can try to comfort the mourners and also comfort the family, because right now, as you hear, there's a music. Let me avoid copyright. I'm trying to avoid the copyright. So also I will have some iron sheets, and my grandma's house, it's also under cleanness and everything will be cleaned. Yeah, at least what I'm just trying to see or look from the look of things, at least we are trying to cook up that. Good. Okay. Not that much. No, actually, guys, this young brother of mine, the last year, he is really growing tall than me. Look.
My shoes are the one makes me.
Your shoes what?
My shoes are the one makes me.
I don't know what kind of body do I have. But most people usually tell me, Claude, we have the best body actually, and which I also know that we have the best body. Ano? Tagatora hasiga. So takagaira hare sana. Hata nyuma harabe no kagatorika. So kito hatanda. Saki kutandika haragari choke kurwa nyumba mora. Gentanyi. Marafiki wanafiki wana roho mbaya. Unajua wimbo Manu? Nani alimba hiyo wimbo? Peace boy. Away, Gentanyi. So guys, let's try and see what's happening on this other end, and we do. So at least you can see my brother was doing some trimming of flowers this morning, and he's still doing it. And that's how you see how stuffs are. And we are always grateful, and I'm very much grateful. So the plan was we had no plan at first because everybody was confused, and I'll be updating you about how everything is. So hopefully today we'll be having an update about what's going on, when will be buried, how stuffs are, because there are also morgue bills that have to be paid. So that's why they selected a committee, and that's how it is. And also there's a booklet that is on the table where there's a treasurer, where there is a, and also I'll be creating. They told me to create a WhatsApp group. There will be a WhatsApp group for friends and family, and there will be a WhatsApp group for the general. So that's why you see they always have a booklet here. This is my daughter writing this. And we have this booklet and another booklet over there. So this circulates. This is, we call it a village book. It circulates. So we have that booklet that will be doing what we call like it's a booklet that actually circulates. Yeah. Mr. God,
Boyd.
a very good big support. Yeah,
Mr.
go with
Josie.
to go with the J.
And go with J.
Yeah, guys, we are here, and thank you so much for listening. Actually, guys, I don't know what I can say. We have been with John for the longest time, ailing baby. Like
We have to do whatever.
ailing
bro, we
baby
can.
for a longest time.
I'm happy that we have tried. You know, we tried.
Our best.
If I mean that we tried, is that we say like even though we lost her, we still have like our life is not gonna be the same.
Yeah,
No
honestly,
way.
honestly.
Yeah, yes, we are not going to keep seeing her again,
Yeah,
but our life is not gonna be the same because we have tried.
absolutely.
And man, I really appreciate you also so much. Yes, guys, I supported, but more was of financially maybe,
Yeah,
but on coming physical.
physical. Yeah,
You know, that is the moment someone needs too much,
More.
even physical.
physical.
So you could not travel in that moment. You could do nothing. Yes, of course, I was still like traveling,
Yeah.
but yes, I was still like checking out how
why-
is baby, how everything
That's
goes.
why. That's why most people. I saw that people criticizing me some days back, and
Bro,
somebody wrote a very bad comment. And I
To
was
me
like,
too,
I-
someone did that.
I deleted it because it was like maybe they thought I'm begging, and they were like, Claude,
Someone is dying and then you still say he is
you know,
begging.
sometimes when they see me maybe not traveling, not doing anything constructive the way other maybe YouTubers are doing it, they think on the other side that maybe there are some also subscribers who pulled back because of maybe the saga that happened or anything. But you have been at the ground and you know what has been happening.
Yeah, I do.
You have been going up and down about baby, bills about baby. You have been here. Sometimes you could even ask me, Claude, how are you managing to do this?
Yeah.
Man, take this $100. For me, I will not manage, but I just support you financially. That's what Jay used to say.
Yeah, for
he
me
has
it was
been-
hard. I
Even
don't
if
want to
it-
lie to you. Guys, let me say something. This is a very serious thing I'm going to share with you or talk about these matters which happened.
Okay.
Mr. CJ, there is a moment, bro, he was, remember Bibi would not understand herself,
Yes.
would not go to toilet for herself. And this time, our sister is at school.
She's at school. Yeah.
No one is around.
Yeah.
Your wife was in Mombasa. So what you have to do?
It's just to be with Bibi and
Yeah,
sometimes
and mostly, to be honest, we don't need to lie to anyone.
Yeah.
If CJ will not be there, Bibi will not spend even 1 month from last year.
from the last year.
She will
because
not.
it started worsening this last year.
Was the last year?
It
Yeah.
started worsening there.
Yeah. But
so-
it's been there, but it started
Very
being worse
being worse.
last year.
Yeah.
And when we started this year, it became more worse.
More worse because
You know?
actually even the doctors, there's a time we went to the hospital and more of the subscribers supported us.
Yeah.
When we spent almost $2,000.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yes.
So maybe the health was kinda okay, but it was deteriorating. So since there, the health started deteriorating because the medicine were very expensive at first.
Yeah.
So we have to go to buy the over-counter medicines.
Yeah.
So when you buy,
Because also they were already told us
Yeah.
about those medicines to
yeah,
use,
how
you
it
know.
is, yeah.
Yeah.
So we have to do what we call like instead of taking BB to the same hospital every single day, they advised us you'll even sell your kidney sometimes trying to save.
Yeah, guys.
So
it's,
they told
yeah.
us it's better for you to go buy the over-counter. So BB have been using the over-counter medicines in which she never missed even a single day. And
also to measure to see her blood pressure.
blood
We bought
pressure.
his stuff,
Yeah.
remember?
And also some subscribers really helped by
Yeah,
sending
yeah,
some because we bought some
Yeah.
and there's some that were
They
sent.
finished also.
Yeah.
They were finished
And
also.
also
you know,
sometimes it
yeah.
reached a point where the doctors advised me that they never wanted to tell me the reality that BB will not make it. But
Yeah,
they told
yeah,
me
yeah.
stop measuring her what we call like blood
Blood
pressure.
pressure.
But you have to pice
Yeah.
so that
Yeah.
your blood comes out. And she used to complain a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, so Mashari nishikia tafadhali. So grandma used to do what we call like they told me to stop it because it reached a point where she was really feeling very numb. And
I
so
remember.
the doctors advised me not to be picing her with
because
those
also she
needles.
was,
But with me, I can't say it as a burden, but it's a part for celebration to baby. Let us celebrate baby.
because she was also
she was a very loving.
yeah.
You know, in this village, if you ask the story of baby, it's like you'll be told that baby was a straightforward person who, and she used to use some vulgar words if you really go astray with, or if you cross boundaries with her.
Yeah.
She used to use a very vulgar one, but in real sense, actually, in a day, I'll just give you a story about baby here, about her hilarious moments and her dark side and her bright side. When you really do what you call like cross boundaries with her, you feel the vulgar words until you get ashamed of maybe staying near with her. You know, that was her dark side.
That.
Using vulgar words just to, it's just like how Jamaicans use those crazy words when they're angry. Stuff that, man. I don't know, so that's how baby used to be. But we thank God we are celebrating her. And
Baby was an amazing person. Bro, I don't lie to you.
Yeah.
She's like, I never had like a feeling of grandma, by the way.
Yeah.
It's like the way I have a feeling of our dad right here. Yeah. Actually, I really feel like, you know, that much like comfortability with him or with her also. It was very amazing, like being with her. And also, she was that, you know, free therapist.
Yeah. She was like, she could tell you stories that you feel like, oh, okay. And also it's very encouraging.
Yeah, and I don't know sometimes if her story would be much really one.
Sometimes the story don't make sense, but she's there telling you stories, you know.
That story was amazing, you know. Yeah, it was amazing. You remember last time she was telling us more of her story.
More of her story.
And you were like,
how
she got married.
How she got married, that the husband brought a letter by plane. So the story is not making sense, but she's really
sweet, like, you know, and she's serious.
Yeah, telling you know,
she put some comedies in it.
That my husband brought a letter by plane, and that letter he took it direct to the church. So I was a very good church girl. So
oh my God, I'm missing her. Wow.
Sometimes if you're watching this video, you can just trace back at John's Go With Jay's
I think I did so many videos of
stories and also on my channel also you'll really
I had
check
one
on that.
part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 1 was 1 hour and maybe like 50 minutes.
And she'll never get tired of speaking.
Yeah.
And she was a very loving person.
Yeah, was a very loving person. Actually, more people actually love her. Yeah. And I remember there is a time even I used to get it before I crashed with a lot of followers, maybe because of sagas and drama, whatever. I remember there is some people even used it to send her something. I bring to her. Yeah, there is a time even she was rich. You know.
Sometimes there's a time where
people were sending me.
And you know the funny thing is when you used to send money to Bibi and you give Bibi money in cash,
they used to eat the money.
she will not use that money. She'll just try and check on which grandson. Which grandson has that problem. So with me, she used to tell me, I've received this money. And she'll tell me because, oh, you are at least a little bit financially stable. So he will call Mugendi. Yeah. But that is Mugendi 254. And he'll tell Mugendi, I've given you this $5 or 500. Don't tell anyone. And if they ask you, don't tell them.
She used to be like that.
He'll call my brother, the one who strings flowers, and look and say, I've given you this. So she used to be like very loving to the grandsons. Sometimes she could feel very bad when she sees maybe a grandson or a granddaughter struggling a little, maybe financially she'll either use her all money, even if you have told her, baby, this is for you and you and you. The moment you give her back like this, she will start thinking of maybe Mogendi, or she'll think about my brother. And later on she'll come and tell you, you know what, that money I lent them out. She'll tell you, no, I gave them, but I lent them out.
Yeah.
But,
I remember even there is a day I was crashing with Mr. Mogendi, thinking like
she has stolen the money.
She stolen her money, but she's the one who gave to him.
Yeah.
And then he'll say, Oh, don't worry. You can just let him know. Let him.
Yeah.
I will catch him. Wait,
I'll catch
wait.
him, wait. And then later on she'll come tell you, you know
Yeah.
what, I just gave it.
And
to
what
her.
I loved about her more, even the time I was giving her some small thing, whenever I
Very
bring a
careful.
visitor here, she was trying to buy something, even small.
Yeah.
When she have money,
She just
like
tell you,
the
go,
people like in the
go
Africa,
bring soda.
yeah, that white lady, Adela.
Adela.
The time she came here,
Bibi was, by that time
she
was
bought for her a fish.
a fish, yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, I want my visitors. These are my grandsons, are my visitors. So actually, she has taught us an art. Like me, honestly, like whatever I do, the characters for Bibi, because she has taught me since day one.
You also
not
look
to be,
like her, bro.
not to be,
I'm telling
not to
you.
be selfish. You know,
Mm-hmm.
Bibi will either be selfish if you're too much to her. She'll tell you, I have it and it's here, I'll not give you. Because go work like me. That's how Bibi used to be.
Yeah.
So she used to be like, if you see all the neighbors around here, everybody, if you ask her a story about Bibi, they'll tell you how giving she was. Like sometimes you could find a point that we have no food, but Bibi will make sure that the food she has bought with her own money, she will come feed all the kids. You know, as a kid you don't know.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
come,
true.
a neighbor's kid, other neighbor's kid. She not isolate you and tell me because today you don't have food, just come in, you eat, and leave the others playing. She will call all of them and put the food down and tell you, eat slowly, she will make sure everybody has shared.
She was so sweet, guys. There is a day. This is a little bit of
Make it
story.
bro.
It's a little bit of story.
Your boy in a copyright.
Eh?
There is a day.
Yeah.
There is a day I met. I came over here. It was in your house.
Yeah.
And another women. They are all the women, like two. I think from here in the village. They came. They talked to me the language from here. It was a long time ago. And then I didn't answer them, but I told them like Shikamo, and then I left.
Yeah.
They started to tell her like, who is this? Then she was telling them, he's my son now. He's my grandson. And then they asked this. She said, oh, he's my son's child.
Yeah. From the other side.
Then
of Tanzania.
they were still saying, oh no, why? He crashed with those women.
He's like, come on, Mutaki,
Yeah, if you guys doesn't want to agree that
if
he's
you
my
hear her has changed-
grandson,
Yeah.
please
If you-
live here.
If you hear her changing her tone from maybe the language that she was talking, either she has spoken a little of English or Swahili, run or just run.
So
Because
actually that
The
day
vulgar words are always trying to
I came to love with Bib a lot
Yeah.
because actually of that. From that day, I felt the love actually Bibi had to me. She was loving me until to this point. Bibi will not forget my name. By the way,
Yeah.
Bibi is the person. If you ask Claude, Joseph,
She'll
me,
come.
and these other people,
Even when she's sick, she'll just try
yeah,
to say, yo, John, is that John? Just
Yeah.
ask her, is that John?
she may maybe add another name, but she will still say John,
What
whatever.
was that name that she used to say? Johnny.
John.
What? There's a name, there's a very
I don't
funny
remember
name.
last time.
It was a, she
The,
used to have a
the last word I had to her, I was asking her my name, and then she said that name with the John,
with
Johnny,
John,
whatever. Yeah.
She used to use a very funny word
Yeah.
because of that. But
Yeah. So guys,
Let's
the
have
story on
messages.
this one is not about. Okay, actually, this video for me, I'm about to ask you the procedures so that we can know what is we are going to. But I want to talk a little bit
yeah,
on a video about this story because it's very important
Yeah, and
to the
also-
people who are watching us.
yeah,
Guys, some people out there, I saw, as my brother say, me too. I got one bad comment which actually stressed me, and it gives me a little bad, like minded, like why someone can sit down and write something like this. Guys, when you were saying like someone is trying like maybe to ask you for help through this way, you don't know what this person has been going through. To be honest, okay, a part of family. I have been on the shoulders, one shoulder to shoulder with my brother, like, bro, let's try, to make sure Bibi is okay. Even there is a time I was coming, sitting with him, we say like, bro, how much money do you have? Me, I have this. We see like, hey man, Now if we take her to hospital, we are going to cry. We are going to be in a problem. Yeah, while the doctor's been giving us maybe some advice, like we can still buy medicine and she'll be okay. We could go and buy some medicine, or sometime I'm not around, but he would tell me like, or maybe not. I think you didn't. You never told me about the like to buy, maybe help me to buy whatever. But I was thinking myself, and remember that baby. She's not fine. I need to contribute to this so that you can do whatever. So let me say a little bit. Claude Joseph, this time around, he will not manage even to travel out of the village. What he was doing for Bibi, I don't know. There are few men out there, some male. Even me, bro, I don't want to lie to you. It could be hard, to be honest. Remember, there is a time he was not having money, Claude Joseph. Now he will not bring a female, and he was alone here in the village, in the home. He would not hire a female because the money was like he didn't have money that time, and the channel was really doing very bad.
That's where the drama
and
happened.
Now that is when the situation happens and it got worse. The time it got worse, what CJ was doing, imagine guys, remember Bibi will not go to toilet by herself. Remember, Bibi will not wash her clothes by herself. Remember, Bibi will not wear clothes by herself. But, you know, he will not stay away from all that because no one will show up on that situation. So he had, like, to take care of our granny, like, seriously. So, to be honest, even me, when I see Claude Joseph, I was saying always, man, I wish God showed up to your life and things get much better. So we thank God that, you know what I thank God more is that you never run away from the situation, which I know more of the families, they do run away from such a situation. Yeah, even your wife, if he's not really like loving you from before, maybe until
gone.
Yeah, they run, bro.
Yeah, like you all time. It reaches a point where even you feel yourself that.
Yeah.
It reached a point where she even told me one day that, hey, there's a time where I went to buy Bibi the diapers, and also Maria had no diapers. So I had like $12. So you know, the $12 can't buy both Maria's diapers and Bibi's diapers. So I just chose to buy Bibi's, and my wife was like seriously. So I was like, she asked me, did you forget to buy Maria's diapers? So for me to check, I told her I just had this, but I don't know how things usually open up. I don't know how sometimes things usually open up. But if for sure she couldn't be loving me, she could have gone a long time ago. Because sometimes we can crash because for the love of Bibi. Sometimes when I can crash with my own father. Sometimes I crash with my own mother.
Yeah, true.
Sometimes I crash with my own brothers.
Yeah, it's been happening.
For the love of Bibi. That's why I'm telling you, for those who have maybe grandmas, or maybe your dad or your mom is old, never neglect them, because they also have to feel the position. Don't let them feel that they are neglected. Please be near with them, encourage them, be the pillar to them, and even if you don't have, just try your best. Like me, I used to have a point that even people used to come and feel like, look, Bibi has pampers, diapers to be changed every week. He has been feeling the pain he has been buying them. He understands them sometimes. Bibi needs medication every month because the tablets comes 28 and she has to get one every single day. So each tablet 28, and that needs money. We have to change her situations.
You know,
there's
a time she was not eating anything, so we had to bring her with milk and whatever.
And that milk inside, we have to add what you call like
porridge,
food for the what you call for the diabetic people.
Yeah.
So like mostly they usually take porridge, which is finger millet porridge, and no sugar.
Yeah.
So it used to be a very, like, even sometimes when I sit down, I'm like, where did I get this?
So to be honest, guys, it's been a very hard time. It's been crazy, but you know what I'm happy with is that at least you have gone along
It's
you
not
have tried.
it's not only me, but it's the love of
Yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
the love
But
of you all.
but you have tried at least some best.
Abel, like you welcome.
Yeah, you have tried it so best.
Yeah, here you can say hi to the people.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Sorry for cutting my brothers,
No worries.
but we are continuing soon. I'm Brother Dagi. We are coming live from the village. Yeah, right now, guys, we are passing through a lot of difficult time, but we need your prayers that it's going to help us.
Yeah.
And if you are watching this, don't forget to pray for us, because your prayers will be giving us another energy.
Yeah, true.
So welcome to Nyabohanse village. If it's your first time, this is Nyabohanse, and you are feel much welcome to this village. Yeah.
All right, bro.
Thank you, brother. Welcome. Also, Nick has come.
Yeah.
I brought him this morning.
Wow.
And say hi to Nick.
Wow.
And that's how we are. Just welcome, feel more welcome.
Yes.
And yeah. So today, John,
Yeah.
yesterday night, because you were busy yesterday night.
Yeah.
So the organization, they how can I say the organization? The people who the mourners. Let me say the mourners. Because each and every home, when you get a funeral, when there is a funeral, when there is a funeral,
Yeah, I think it's
when there is a funeral, they always do what we call like there's a committee that they select. So I don't know why this is a miracle. So yes, because they always try to select a committee the very first moment when somebody dies at the home.
all day.
Same evening on the same day, they just sit down and select people up and down. Maybe financially, people who will take finances, somebody who will organize this, the coordinator, how will this organize and this and this. But they sat yesterday because with me, they used to see me chipping in for food and everything. So they were like, no, this is not supposed to be this way. So yesterday they sat at night with the fellow mourners who were here. They created a committee in which we have the chairperson, we have the treasurer, in which everybody shouted, we want you to be the treasurer, we want you to handle all the money that is being here. But I told them no. But they had to say it's you. So they say I should be the treasurer for that. You also, there is a place where they put you. There's a place where they put True Boy. There's a place where they put Mugendi, the dreamer. There's a place where they put my brother. There's a place where they put my wife. There's a place where, like, everybody. Okay. So with me today, this morning, I went for shopping according to the money, because they always have a play. It's like a play in the evening, where people, maybe they want to buy your wrist. They say, I'm buying this for $10.
Okay.
So if you won't refund that $10, they go with your wrist. So that was the man that they used it yesterday. So for breakfast.
So last time I remember we did up shopping.
Yeah.
So yesterday I came actually asked mom that can I buy maybe some rice or something like that, and then she told me no, today we are okay, we have did whatever. But you know, I was weighing this and that. Even by the way, I supposed to go to look for roadblock in Migori.
The motorbike club.
Yeah. So I didn't go to like a really store about what going on. So I was thinking like it's better I come and ask you how the situation is, how the things are supposed to be. Yeah, because also maybe on our community, maybe someone would come out and maybe want to
help.
To help something. So it's better we get like any hint of what is going on, or what we are going maybe to be continuing like doing, you know, the procedures of things.
And when did will be by.
That is another thing I wanted to ask.
Because they said I have to wait for my brother who just arrived this morning.
Oh, he's
so
the
today we will sit down as a family, and also mourners. We will say when Bibi will be buried, or when will be her last respect. And so today, as we speak, the only thing that we have done is just committee, the chairperson, and they just allowed me to create a WhatsApp group for the community. But there will be also a WhatsApp group for the YouTube family. So just through that, I just also help. Mashari is here, Dag is here, you are here. we just try see how we just create these WhatsApp groups.
Yeah, I think that can be important too.
Could it be important?
You know, guys. Yeah, we can do it, and yes, of course, maybe it be having maybe some words, but whatever.
Yeah.
But I think it's important to do instead of not do. You know.
Yeah.
Because we don't need also at the end maybe to hear some people say, oh, you didn't did this,
Yeah.
and is it something maybe which I see a lot of people do.
Yeah.
So I think we can do it. Yeah, because
And
it can help some parts too, you
yeah,
know.
very,
Yeah,
very
true.
much. Because we have hospital bills, because the more they keep baby there,
The more you pay.
the more you pay.
Yeah.
Like every single day, you pay like $7 every single day. With $7, 800 Kenyan shillings.
Oh, they told you like that?
Yeah, it's the body registration.
But
is
also there is
2,500.
another thing. There is other medicine which was
Yeah.
used and whatever.
Yeah, so
And so I think.
and if you want baby to be, if you want to maybe your family member who is there or your friend who is in there be kept well, you have also to talk with them.
To be giving them something, you know,
So-
extra. Yeah.
So that's why in a day you always do shilingi 800.
But me, I thought it's 1,000.
Or sometimes you go
Yeah,
like
1,000.
yeah, because
So let us estimate that 1,000.
yeah, and a day
Actually,
And a day.
$8 is 1,000.
it's
Yeah.
1,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
So through that you know, they always for baby, because me I told them to keep baby. Even right now, before
But
this I
also-
want to go and check on baby.
But also
right now.
part of that, after the burial, you know, also, you know, when you are doing like a burial and whatever, there is actually some other procedures or some other things we need money, you know.
Yeah.
So not like in case maybe you need like to do it much professional or maybe well, because Bibi was not a bad person to us, you know, as we kept like maybe sacrificing whatever we had. Yeah, we still like, you know, having that love to her. So we would like to see her grave to be well looked.
Oh yeah, also
You know,
the grave
like,
like
yeah.
be prepared
Yeah, we
as
don't
early
need
as
maybe something which maybe after a few days we not understanding maybe someone was buried over here or not. Yeah, I think yeah, we can still do that.
Yeah.
But also a part of that, you know, we don't need like to hear maybe people say at the end like why you didn't
Scam.
make the group.
yeah, the sub
Yeah, it's better you do if maybe it's not for scamming, guys. No one can. We are not happy for what happened. It's not a very good thing for us, and we are not happy. Bro, if you want to scam, you don't tell people. You can scam, you know. But we never scammed before.
the other side because that's how everything is, guys. So
Yeah, but to be honest, CJ, that's what I wanted to know. So I think, guys, maybe at the end of this video,
you're going to coming back.
guys, at the end of this video, we are going to have maybe a conclusion. Maybe we can sit with the family right now to understand what's going on.
Yeah, we'll update on everything.
And maybe at the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna let you know how everything goes. Or maybe even if I will not come over there, I will have the number in the description.
Yeah, the description.
In case you guys want to know any updates, just let me know. Talk to me.
Yeah.
I will let you know like what's going on or what we decided or what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we welcome you all at this grieving time because
Yeah.
it's really sad, guys.
Bro, I'm
Actually,
sorry,
telling
and men, take heart and understand the situation. Don't mind what people say. Just try, you know, to understand, because not everyone who understands you, not everyone who are going to feel what you feel.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you know, wanasema, they say msiba ikiwa kwa mwingine unapata ile hamu hata ya kuuliza imekuwaje.
Yeah.
But if it's for you, guys, we mean that mourning if it's to someone, maybe someone
you are
have
eager
lost
to
someone.
ask what's
You will be eager even at least, or you will manage even to ask like how it happened, you know.
Yeah.
But if it's on you, my dear, you will relax, you know. So the same thing, like it's nice even to come and ask like, oh, what happened? You already saw it, my dear. So
I saw somebody,
kindly, guys,
somebody
let's
reached
be
out
good.
and I think I can call him as a hater. That I warned you not to feed baby ugali, and you never listen. Now
Said it like that.
imagine. So I was like, I don't want to argue more with this because
Actually,
it's
ugali is our staple food, but
So-
we tried our best to not
But give
make
Bibi
Bibi
ugali,
eat ugali. We tried our best.
So because she was not
Yeah.
eating ugali, she was eating food which are recommended by the doctors.
Yeah.
But because people sometimes they think over here you only eat ugali. Or when we talk about ugali, you also know that Bibi I was feeding her ugali. So if you really know yourself that you did that, I blocked you. So I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry if I blocked you, but just I kept you to the time where you really, I kept you to your place, because with me I'm a zero drama guy. I'm this guy who will not come and try to. If you tell me no, it's no. But
You understand the
yeah,
part.
that's how it is, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
which
you,
is
and
good.
let's see what will be happening. We also have to do the we organize
Yeah,
ourselves.
I
as
think we
well.
are going to
See how
sit
it's
down,
going.
guys. Maybe have the serious moment of maybe understanding the situation, or maybe what we're gonna be doing
Yeah,
for a couple of days or for a couple times.
yeah.
So let's try to see. Hopefully, we are going to come up with like
A
news
plan.
about
Yeah.
a plan of
Yeah,
how the value are gonna be,
Yeah.
or what we are going to be
And
doing.
also, if you have any advice towards that,
Yeah.
you let us know. If you
Advice,
have-
okay, advice. There's a lot of advice. Yes, things have happened, but we still need like some advice.
yeah, maybe
You may say, oh guys, my advice or my feeling maybe to grave of Bibi for a respect, we need to do this. Can you do this?
Yeah,
Or can you do this way, you know?
Yeah,
Also that one is an advice.
Yeah, or you can say,
Yeah.
okay, maybe Bibi was a loving person. You can paint shots for this
Yeah.
one. So maybe Bibi was this one. Just a plan. Maybe you can tell
Yeah.
us what you really think. Because with me, it's my first time having this over here. That's why you see, like sometimes I might be strong looking for now, but
But
deep
inside,
deep down you don't know what I'm really going through. Sometimes like that. So because sometimes what be speaking here because I see John, because I see Masharia, because I see the girl, because sometimes that's how it is. But honestly, me when it gets emotional, I really feel it, because I don't want to take that bitterness like I'm holding it because I'm a man. No, if it's to shout to
you have so nearby tears actually. Yeah.
so
Actually, CJ is like that. You know, we are different. Me, I do cry inside and I can even die.
Yesterday, Mogendi tried to cut my hair that is shaving, and people were trying to see me crying because Mogendi is. It was just like a game, but because I told those people not to shave Bibi, the people at the grave, at the morgue. So when Mogendi was trying to tell me to shave, I remembered I told people not to shave Bibi. So it got me very emotional, and then people
You
were trying
remember
to-
that already?
Yeah. But anyway, guys, we are here. I'm really much grateful, and thank you for being with us at this point or at this time of grieving. I've really seen very great support. I've really felt that we have people who can be with us at all the times. Not only that, okay, CJ is lamenting because of this grieving time. We are here, all we need your support. The support doesn't mean that we need all every time money.
Yeah, there is
the support
advice,
means
guys.
that,
There,
for
there,
sure.
is, there
The
is
kind
even
words.
a kind words,
Yeah.
or maybe, you know, let me say
Yeah.
a condolences words, at least which, you know, when you tell someone you can feel okay, you know. Yeah, it's been hard, you know, for you actually, especially guys for like CJ. Yeah, we have supported, but CJ have tried so much, which to feel like at the end the life of Bibi is not it's gone like that. We are not going to see her again, maybe laughing with us or talking to us. I think the really big feelings it's gonna be to CJ. He have sacrificed his time, his work, like almost whatever.
I've lost a lot of subscribers.
Yeah,
I've lost a
true.
lot of support. from
True.
you. There are those who just say, why are we not doing the same thing that Douglas is, brother Dag is doing, or why are we not doing the same thing as John? Even when you
people, they
travel,
will be asked.
when he traveled,
Yeah.
most people thought we have crashed with John.
Yeah, some
So
people.
they
yeah,
started
some
asking
people,
me.
yeah,
They
for
started
sure.
asking me, why you no longer nowadays not traveling, Jay? You people crashed because of drama. Why are you not associating with other content creators? guys, let me tell you today that one day when just pray so much that this can't get you, because these elderly people, they are like kids. They are like a
Very
9-month-old baby,
for sure.
who needs attention every time. Like my grandma, it reached a point where she was developing boils on bed sores every single time because of the bed pressure or pressure. So the sugar ate almost one side.
Actually,
She
one
was
side of body, yeah.
The right side.
One hand was not. One leg was not.
functioning.
Me, I remember when Go with Jay, he was here at the last time that you traveled. Bibi was good
Yeah.
on his health.
Yeah.
But now we came to realize that every single day how the
days
the
are
days
going.
are going,
Yeah.
The health is
the health is
deteriorating,
guys, you know.
Yeah.
Even
But,
one of his leg,
Yeah.
there is a time he was not like.
You know, started complaining. We bought her the aiding stick, the walking stick.
Yeah, the walking stick.
Because she used to have the one for the tree.
Yeah.
So when we bought that one, she walked with it for some days. Even she attended your grandpa's
Yeah,
burial.
yeah. I
So
remember.
from there, she called me again because I was in Mombasa. She told me, I need another walking stick because my other leg, it's not really working okay. So when I came from Mombasa, I came with a new crutch.
Yeah.
So I thought now there will be two, should be using two.
Yeah.
Trust me not, Bibi never used that crutch. That was the last
Because
of her.
like she was not familiar, and then the sickness was on a point that its head, like the sickness was attacking her
very,
in a
very
position like she
because
cannot manage.
Yeah, you could manage this other maybe pressure, sugar is rising. When you are managing sugar, there's another maybe bed sores, because at the pelvic girdles she developed those.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Especially the time she started sleeping most times. She doesn't want to go out.
She doesn't want to sit. She's
Yeah.
like, let me sleep and relax. She could tell you, let me relax. Every single time she told you, let me relax. Don't pick me to sit, but let me sleep. I want to relax. I've been like that. But it's a celebration for Bibi. She has fought the big. She has won the race. And also let her do what work rest, because the pain she was feeling with me, this is not severe that you're saying.
Like anyone can ask maybe like how
you
old
have
she
tried.
was, like
Actually,
Bibi was almost 92.
92 years.
92,
Yeah, she was very old.
Almost to 92.
Yeah.
Because the other time when I was talking with her, that was 2023, she was 89. So which means right now she was hitting 92 years.
Wow.
Yeah, so she died at 92. That's a very good age at. And the only thing that you will miss her comics, you'll miss her vulgar words sometimes.
But even Go with Jay, I know you will miss her, because
I'm already missing her.
you know most of the time most of the
Was
time
my all like
Time
enjoyment.
Yes.
You know, when I'm traveling, whenever I'm traveling, whenever I was traveling, when I come back, and most time I used to come and say goodbye to her.
Yeah.
Because
Every
by the
single
time
time.
she started be crying when I leave, I started to be lying to her. I come, but I tell her like, Bibi, I'm going, but it's not far. I just cross to Tanzania and then I will come.
back.
Yeah.
It is a point you couldn't tell her that you are leaving. She could cry.
She was loving
sure.
us so much. When we leave, she used to cry.
There's a time that you are trying to travel maybe for 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Let her notice that you are not around. But if you go
if
tell her that
you
I'm,
told her that I'm leaving,
man, the pressure rises.
Yes.
She starts feeling very weak. So it's better. Even when I was going to Mombasa, I never told her that I'm going to Mombasa. I just left. She came to realize when maybe 1 week or 2 weeks when she always said, hey, but this guy's not coming to visit me. Yeah, so guys, thank you, and I'll just update you about what's going on. For now, I want to rush. We should rush and go check Bibi at the morgue. And maybe other stuff that will be going on. Alright guys, thank you. So guys, we are here, and our good friend and brothers visited. Yeah, so that to console with us also. And at this briefing time, Thank you and
How are you, my
welcome.
brother?
I'm good. Yes. Welcome,
Mr. Claude.
Yeah, and congratulations also. Oh, the big machine.
Even you too.
Yeah, thank
Even
you.
you,
Man.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You know, I realize some people who have car, there's something come easily in life, but to maintain need more.
Maintaining is not
If you see someone have kind of maintain,
It's another small
respect to
thing.
that.
Absolutely.
That is a new wife.
Yeah.
New wife, you have it. If you have a car, that is a new wife.
A new wife.
And sometimes you'll find a new wife with a baby. So anyway, guys, my name is Mayugno, and it's a very sad moment with our brothers here to lose our grandma. But God have reason. There nothing happened for no reason. That was a God plan. For us, we are here to say thank you, God, for the gift of life. For us, we're still here. We will represent her because she was a very good person. And there no prayer will change anything about someone who have already died. But for us, we are here to accept what God have did it. So also people who are out there and they still do this, just know, guys, here in the village, anything moment like this when happen can remind people when it's still with a whole pocket, you know. So we need to support Claude Joseph in this moment, to be with him, with his family, and whatever you have, maybe to motivate by words, but by anything you just support, because in this moment is the where you can show the real friendship and the real brother and sister. That's what I know, you know, and this is how we live in the village. So thank you so much. My condolences to the family. We feel sorry for them because this was not easy. It was not easy. I know my brother Steven now is a small. He's come a poshka because of this moment is not easy, guys. So let us pray. We will pray for the family. God can keep them stronger because the grandma was a very lovely grandma. So you know, some of them, they don't have that heart to manage. So we don't want through this also we can lose another one. No, we need this barrel can go peacefully, and everything can done in God control. That's what we know. So thank you, guys. I'm a YouTuber also. Today we visited our brother and see how everything going on, at least to push this, you know. And thank you so much. Keep support him. And check me out on my YouTube channel. I am Mayugno. I will really appreciate it, guys. We come with Babalia.
Yes.
Babalia
Yeah.
here.
Guys, I'm here. This is Nast. We're here with Claude Joseph. We came to support the family because this is like our other home. Yeah. Because Claude has come from very, very far. Yeah. When we began our YouTube channel, we used to come here all through, support each other, to encourage each other. And this is, especially in the village here, we always come together in times like this, yes, to support each other because it's a heavy thing. Yeah? Yeah. So one person cannot really manage this. Yeah. So we are here to check on our brother and sister because she's like my grandma. If you come here, we do videos, we get advice from her. Yeah. Yeah, so the news was really sad to us, but again, we have to celebrate the life that she lived. Yeah. Yeah, good thing she has left granddaughters, grandchildren, and even great, yeah?
I think she has reached the generation.
Yeah, even great grandchildren. So we are here to celebrate her life. Yeah, so when you get an opportunity, when you're alive, always be happy, celebrate. Yeah, because today it's with Claude, tomorrow it could be with anyone else. Yeah, so we are here to hold each other's hand. And thank you all so much for all the people also who usually support Claude here and there. Because these are heavy things. Yeah, you know, in our village here, if you have something like this, we usually do like contribution, maybe buying like sugar, water. Yeah, because it's a culture. Most of us come here, maybe you expect you have to get some tea.
You know,
so it's
like,
not easy.
It's not easy because in Africa, you will think like, oh, people will come and no. Here they must eat. Even if they don't eat, they will go cry, say, we never got food. And here,
and it's a barrier.
And it's a barrier. And they need meat. They don't need omena. Or, they need meat. As long as good or bad, you must slaughter for them a cow. So a lot of cow must be slaughter here, and we need to support our blood.
So guys, we're here. Sorry Claude also for, I really know how Claude really like
love the grandma, because anytime I used to get here, I used to find him like attending to the grandma, and she was very, very jovial. We've done a lot of videos with her. Yeah, at least I thank also the YouTube platform, because now we have like memories. Even Claude's kids, one day when they grow up, they can be shown that, hey, you know what, this is your grandma. This is how she used to talk. Yeah, so those are the things maybe most of us used to miss. But I really thank the YouTube platform also for the memories that we are recording and sharing. Yes. So guys, check me out also at It's Nasto on YouTube. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much for the visit.
Yes.
Thank you always for coming us to be with us in these beautiful moments, and always we're all together. And may Almighty God bless you all, guys. And thank you all guys also for watching. I really appreciate. So I'll be updating with you on everything that is going on. For now, I think today will be the organization. They'll be organizing what will be, where Bibi will be, and when we'll take you from the mall and everything. Yeah, so thank you guys, and God bless you.
Amen. Be blessed.
Again. So guys, as you see, we have already roofed this small house or a kitchen, and now it's time that it will be, we are trying to make it to become a good way on this side, and it will be a very fine area. Let me show you on top. I had to buy new iron sheets like this, so just like that, and then we put something here, and it will be a very good kitchen. So some days I'll be able to put some also poles all the way, so that I can put here a parking lot. Maybe I'll park my motorbike, or I'll park my car, just like that. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'll just update about how this will be once they have told us about things that are moving on. Mugendi. Yeah. Say something.
Yeah, once again, this is Mugendi. Mugendi 254. You can reach me at my YouTube channel goes by the name Mugendi 254.
Yeah.
Right here, we are still at home.
Yeah.
And we are still coming. I mean, you know, this family is big, and it's like all the world. We are still waiting for others, and I think today we're gonna make like the arrangement about how grandma will be, like how the ceremony will be going.
Yeah.
We're gonna call it ceremony because it's for on the other side it's like we celebrate like the life of our grandmother, and the other side it's a bio. So because he was like very old. 90, he's almost 90 years. And as now
she's 92.
Just about 92 years. And right now, 92, when you get 92 is an extra bonus.
It's extra bonus.
Extra bonus. So sometimes that's how everything is around. And still need like much support from you guys, because you are the one who like supported us from one till right now. So this is how the things are going around. So still need, and you know my English is like going this way.
Oh, okay. All right, guys.
So keep watching this amazing video.
We have Kibaki here, guys. Kibaki. Unataka kusema nini hawa watu Kibaki? This guy is laughing. And also I'm here with Babucha and Manu Claude. Say something, man, so that I'll be ending this video. Yeah.
Something.
Yeah. Okay.
Good morning, guys. Good evening. Good afternoon. Depends wherever you are from. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Please when you're there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Man Claude. Today we are around here in the village, and I'm trying to edit my video here so that I can upload in the evening.
Yeah. All right, man. Be blessed, bro. All right.